Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Jones soda. This one is blueberry lemonade, and it's very blue. This soda doesn't use artificial sweeteners. It uses real cane sugar, so that's a plus. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out so you can see what it looks like. This is like one of my favorite sodas from this brand. I like the blueberry lemonade taste. So let me get a cup of ice here and pour it out. You see, it fizzes up just like a regular soda, nice and bubbly in your mouth when you drink it. And it has a really good, refreshing taste that I like. Like I said, it's my favorite. So I highly recommend this product and this brand, and I hope that this review helps.